So I got in here, I got another project going, you know. Here's my other project. This little marine, I got a pattern, I don't know, off the internet or someone gave me one a long time ago of this little marine. And he holds a flag. His arm goes kind of like this. And he holds a flag. And you put them in the ground. I've made these in the past, and this is made out of some like pressed wood or something, so it didn't last long, you know. I tried to get some pressure treated plywood or something like that. I got some in my front yard, so I want to make some for the camp. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw up some pictures and show you all what I do to make some of these. And they're very easy. I mean, I don't know how much these things cost me, like $15, $20 a piece. You could buy an $8 sheet of plywood and probably, I'm gonna say probably make about 3 or 4 out of one sheet. And here we go. All right, let's talk tag sales. I'm always looking for a deal if you watch my videos, and my motto is, if it's free, it's for me. And I always check the values of everything, and I happen to have a guy on my street here had a tag sale going on, so I swung by and I jumped out of my truck and I took a look. Actually, I walked over, and sure enough, he was selling some good stuff. I asked him if he was moving. He said no, but something's telling me that it's got to be moving. He said downsizing, but he was selling absolutely everything in his garage, so it's kind of weird. But if you watched a couple of the videos, you see my little compressor there, my little red Craftsman compressor. The only thing is, that's not my little red Craftsman compressor. I saw it at the tag sale. That's anywhere I've seen that run. I think when I bought it was about $100, and I bought it. Oh my goodness, I bought it 12 years ago. I seen it for sale from Sears when they were closing for about close to $100. I've seen it over $100, $120. They still sell little crappy ones at Harbor Freight that make all types of noise, and they're pretty much garbage that size. But this little Craftsman, I'll tell you, because I've had one for like 12 years. I never change the oil yet. I have to, and I've used that thing so much, and it's great. It's portable. You can fill it up, go out, fill up your air to your tires, stuff like that. It's light. It's a workhorse. The only problem is it doesn't hold enough air, so you're doing a big job. I built my shed with it, but it's constantly got to kick on, build up the pressure. So, but I went over there and I asked the guy, well, how much you want for that? He's like, oh, I don't know. And he gave me a price of $40. $40. I said, that's a good deal. I was going to say, okay. But then he says, and I'll throw in 2 hoses, the crappy little hose you see there, and there's another good hose somewhere. He didn't give me this box. Let me see. I'm sorry, I'm using my phone because my GoPro. Give me this box. Come with all types of goodies. All types of fittings. I got some. I got 3 $10 gauges in there, so I really made out on the deal. And 2 hoses, and the kicker is, give me a little. I forget the gauge, but a little like little nail gun too. Here it is. You know, I think it's 18 gauge. A little 18 gauge nail gun. So, there's the hose. Now we're gonna put it back in. There it is. All right. So what a deal. I got some of these little side fold-up tables, $5 for 3 of them. And I got one more thing. Let me see. What did I get? What did I get? That. I have no idea. Something else I got from them, and it was a good deal. So we talk about tag sales. You have to stop at tag sales and just see. You could go over there and just offer them something. You never know. I get a lot of good deals at tag sale, flea markets. Some people, right away I knew, like you walk in a tag sale, the guy, if he's asking $80 for it or something, you walk away. And you could find that thing for $80, brand new sometimes. You got to know, if you're getting a half price or more, and it looks like this is 10 times better shape than mine, I know that thing's going to last me forever. So you got to jump on opportunities like that. Yeah, tag sales. Okay, now that the pattern has been traced, let's see if you can get a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and use my jigsaw, my cordless jigsaw, to cut that out. Talk about deals again. That jigsaw there, I needed a jigsaw. I wanted a cordless jigsaw, and I have quite a few Hitachi tools. Let me show you. I got this hammer drill here. Came with a set, weighted, Lowe's. I'm always at Lowe's looking for deals. I got that little set there for $99, and then with my discount, it was something like $85, and it came with 2 batteries. I went to Lowe's to look for a battery, and at the time the batteries were like, what was it? It was like $40 a battery. I remember when I first bought my first Hitachi drills. Maybe about 7 years ago I bought these, and the batteries were like $65 a piece. So they dropped to about $35 for $40 for about 2 years, and once in a while I'll pick one up. And because I have the jigsaw, I don't know, I have a couple more tools. I have these 4 drills. Today I went there and they dropped them to $22 a piece, so I bought two batteries. I think it's because they did away with this 18 volt line. So now the 18 volts are all like 18 3.0. These things are beast. I had this isn't a hammer drill, but I had them for 7 years. They still work great. And now I have these brand new ones that I hardly use. They'll probably last another 10 years. So I just needed quite a few batteries. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 batteries now. So, but here's the deal I got today. Not today, but here's the deal I got. One time when I went to Lowe's, I'm always looking for a wireless jigsaw. So I'm going down the aisle and I see this one. And you know how much it was marked? $3. $3. So right away I started looking all around for, there's none left. I bought the display model because someone cleaned them out when they saw $3. So I bought that display model for $3. And every time I go to Lowe's, I always look for deals. And some stuff you could tell. Someone like me already got to it. They'll say something's like $1 and they're all cleaned out. So that was a good deal for me. Always looking for deals.